Hey guys, in this video, I'm unboxing the Karcher TLA Telescopic Spray Lance. This is the extension allowing you to wash at height level. So you can see here with this particular spray lance, telescopic, it can extend up to 5 meters. So here you can extend up to 5 meter reach. The lance itself can be extended between 2.2 meters to 3.7 meter. Here you get the easy joint adjustment right here, 180 degrees joint for flexible application. Then we have a comfortable telescopic mechanism right there. So let's have a look at the actual thing. Okay, so here is the washer pressure, and we've got the lens right here, and it's connected to this hand hose. Now it's quite a bit hard to get this one right in. I have to knock it down with a screwdriver, but eventually it connects and I'll manage to lock it in. So here we're going to mount the hose into the lens. Alright, so we're just going to mount it in. Alright, so now it's locking to the holes on the pressure washer. Okay, so in the box here there is a that we can add on. There it is. It says, so here on the K4 there's this nozzle that we need to connect so that it is compatible with this particular pressure washer. So here if you look in the assembly instruction, it tells you that which model that you need to use with which nozzle. So make sure you read the instruction so that you connect the right nozzle for your water pressure. Alright, you need to put out the pin. Yep. So if it's too hard, you can use the screwdrivers and take it out. Now again, because we are using the K4 Karcher, we're going to need to use this brown nozzle instead of the white one. Now, if you're using K2 or K3, probably be more suitable with the white one. Alright, let's put this brown one in. So you just turn and twist. Yep, it's now in. So we've got the right nozzle for the right pressure washer model. So now we're putting the pin to lock it in. Alright, so now it's locking in. And now we attach the nozzle to the handle. So put it in and twist it to lock it in. Like that. This part should be easy. So here if you press on that, you can extend the arm out, make it longer. So there it is, it's quite long. So here we can extend out by pressing this button right here, and we can pull it out, and it's pretty long. It can reach a very amazing height with this lens telescopic